we're like day 6 right now, and I wanted to double check that for depth, and I just dropped that back down there again, and I'm at 95 feet. I know I said 30 feet before, but I think what happened is my big socket that I put on here got caught on those on the wall alignment stars. So I am at 95 feet right now. If you can see that, I am at 95 feet minus 19 as far as water's concerned. So 19, it's right on the, it's touching right now on the bottom. So 95 minus 19. That's how many feet of water we got. Holy cow. I knew at one time I measured 75 feet, and it kind of blew my mind that I didn't. Where the heck did I get 11 feet of water? Well, here's my answer. Now my next answer is how long is my actual pipe or tubing from the bottom of my pump? Oh, 50. 53 feet. We got 95 feet of water. Minus 19, or just minus 20, so 7. Yeah. That's where I got 75 feet from. Yeah. Yo. That's where I got 75 feet from. Somehow or other, oh, I think I used a Wriggler string last time when I did that. So let's see how much hose I actually have. I got no clue how far down she's gonna sit. See, that's what I'm telling you. That socket got stuck on my first, I think on my first separator right here. You see how far down she goes. Alright, well, there you go. 86. That actually is in good shape. I was wondering if I was going to have to change that rubber. Stealing me a foot here. Get out of my way. There. Try it again. Right on top of it. Right on top of there. Okay. It's 95 feet. I think think I dragged that much up. I was wrong. Alright. There we go. So, 87. 87. Give me 87 feet. $95. What the hell? Huh. Interesting. Okay, a little more accurate now. Critical here. Knocking off about a foot here. Come on now, let's get this right. Jesus. Like a 95 feet. 95 feet to the bottom. It's on the bottom of the bottom. So it's right on in here. Okay. Okay. I just measured that up. Okay. So we're 87 feet. So I got 95 feet at the top of the thing, and it's 5 feet down, 95. So I got 90. I got a total of 90 feet left to the bottom of that, and we are 87. So from where this goes in, 97, give me 97, because that's going to be the total now that I got another 6 inches of pump. So minus 87 equals 3 feet. Okay, she's going to be sitting 3 feet off the bottom. 3 feet off of the bottom when this gets locked in its position. Alright. Alright. Good to know. Alright. So, fortunately, sure it's recording. Alright, my heat shrinking is becoming a pain in the ass, because I think I'm going from 10 gauge down to this from 10 gauge. Down to like 14, I think. Yeah, damn. And I'm using a, again, I'm using a settling. I should be using a air, regular hair dryer. Hair dryer units. Jesus, I got air in my, I got wind in my area here that's not cooperating. I'm gonna shrink down. Ouch. That's where I need it, I don't think. Hello. No, I'm gonna be real lucky at that. And no problem securing to that, but securing to the other. She had two different gauges.